Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to change this one into dy over dx. So a plus y we put on the left, ds and tan s we put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. This one we can change into cotang s ds, and we know that cotang s that is about cosine s over sine s. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of a plus y. This one, we have ln of the absolute value of sine s, and I will put about c. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to b over 3, y equals to a. And now we put a and b over 3 on here. That is about the square root of number 3 over 2. This one we have 2a. And now we can find the value of c. That is about this one minus this one. And this one, that is about positive number, so we don't need to use the absolute value anymore. Now about this one, we put this one, go back to this equation in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.